The decision by Siddaramaia's government there to hike fuel prices has triggered a political showdown after mounting attack on the Karnataka government yesterday. Today, the Karnataka BJP unit, led by Mr. R. Ashok, the leader of the opposition, hit the streets as a number of protesters began to swell at Freedom Park. The protest side, the Bharatiya Janata Party cadre, were taken into custody. Let's also bring you this report from Ground Zero, where these protests took place.
Massive protests and drama unfolding at the Freedom Park even as the BJP here stages this massive protest against the fuel price hike in Karnataka. 3 rupees of a rise in petrol and diesel prices has sparked off this outrage and protest. The BJP says that this is a loot and a daylight robbery and the common man continues to pay the price. On one hand, the Congress says they provide guarantees. On the other, you're also hearing ministers themselves confessing that, this increase in price of fuel will in fact fund the guarantees as well. I have Dr. Ashwath Narayan here with me. Ashwath sir, if you could tell us, you maintain that you will not stop these protests.
We totally condemn the Congress government. It has been always anti-people. They've been always only one thing they've been doing: price rise, price rise, price rise.
That's the word from Mr. who says that all that the Congress has done is only increase fuel prices or other commodity prices as well. We've seen the BJP raise its voice against the rise as far as stamp duty is concerned, liquor prices are concerned. Milk prices are concerned. Now they're saying this is once again going to really affect the common man quite a bit. The Congress remains defiant. They say, in comparison to other states, Karnataka, the prices of fuel, even after this hike, much lesser, and this is something that's the need of the hour. We'll really have to see, even as these protests intensify, how the state government reacts.
एक बार नहीं, 2 बार पेट्रोल और डीजल का दाम बढ़ा है कांग्रेस. पहले उन्होंने बताया हम कम करेंगे. आज कम नहीं किया है. कर्नाटक में लगभग 5 रुपये, दो बार 5 रुपये पेट्रोल के लिए, डीजल के लिए 5.5 रुपये बढ़ाया है.
Now, this protest on the part of the Bharatiya Janata Party appeared to be unique in more ways than one. BJP leaders actually arrived at the protest site near Freedom Park in Bengaluru in a bullock cart as a mark of protest against the Siddaramaiah government.
Now I'll give you another interesting statistic. If we are in a situation where the large percentage of our requirement of crude oil is imported, clearly you are dependent on international prices. But that's not how there's no change in that. Because the economy is booming, maybe the domestic consumption is booming. But what have we done? We have done action for which we have responsibility, for which we can take the action, and we assume that responsibility for today. You know what the Congress did? Between 2004 and 14, they introduced something called petrol bonds. What are they? You floated, say, 1,41,000 crores. Today, madam, we are having to pay back 3,20,000 crores. So it is irresponsible. Irresponsible in terms of the actions they took, and today they're compounding their lies. They're going on saying now कि ये किसी और की गलती है. गलती आपने एक्शन लिया. आपको तो वो खटाखट महंगाई खत्म करनी थी, वो खटाखट महंगाई बढ़ गई है. And now they are compounding their lies. And I'm surprised that somebody in a position like that of the chief minister is going around and saying ये किसी और की गलती. अरे भाई, ये कैसे हो सकता है कि बीजेपी रूल स्टेट्स में दाम जो है 10 रुपए कम है और आप कह रहे हैं गलती किसी और की है जब एक्शन आपने लिया है.
एक क्वेश्चन सर इससे रिलेटेड ये भी है कि हमेशा प्राइस हाइक जब भी होता है, कांग्रेस या ऑपोजिशन पार्टी हमेशा ही बीजेपी रूल जहां भी सरकारें हैं वहां पे प्रश्न खड़ा करती है. अब चूंकि कांग्रेस रूल गवर्नमेंट में जहां पर स्टेट में जहां पर सरकार है वहां पर ऐसा हो रहा है, कैसे आप
नहीं देखिए, नहीं सवाल तो कई होते हैं. सवाल तो कई होते हैं कि ये क्या हो रहा है, आप क्यों कर रहे हैं, चुनाव आ रहे हैं इसलिए कम हो रहे हैं. देखिए, मैंने कई बार समझाने की कोशिश की है कि इसमें केंद्रीय सरकार की जिम्मेवारी है. केंद्रीय सरकार ऑल्सो कलेक्ट्स टैक्सेस, एक्साइज ड्यूटी, पर हम अपनी तरफ से उसको कम कर रहे हैं. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट should also reduce its tax burden, whatever taxes that they levy. अब ये कर कह रहे हैं कि अपने टैक्सेस बढ़ा रहे हैं, फिर कह रहे हैं कि ये किसी और की गलती. अरे भाई हमने तो एक्सप्लेन किया, हमने कम किया है. सो इसका कोई लॉजिक नहीं निकल रहा इनकी बात में, और मैं समझता हूं आने वाले समय में देखिए, क्योंकि ये और गलतियां करी जा रहे हैं.
Here in Bengaluru, the BJP continues to up the ante against the Congress government over their decision to increase the prices of petrol and diesel. After, we saw, multiple districts, the BJP protesting. Here in Bengaluru, you can see under the leadership of the party president B.Y. Vijayendra, leader of the opposition R. Ashok, and several other MLAs and MLCs. Here, a demonstration being staged by the BJP, them coming here in bullock carts, and you can see them, they're saying that they're going to get out the Chief Minister's residence at whatever cost. The Congress at this point in time, if they do not, reduce the prices of fuel, the BJP says the demonstrations and protests are only going to intensify. You can see, multiple people right now who are gathered here, and the police as well in huge numbers have barricaded of the entire area, and they are saying that, that they will not allow this march because there's no permission given for that, and in all likelihood the BJP leaders are expected to be taken into preventive detention. Even as we look at this sort of a drama unfold, the Congress continues to brazen it out and say that this particular increase in fuel is increase in fuel prices is justified because compared to neighboring states, in Bengaluru it's much lesser. Some of them have even said the increase in prices of fuel will also fund developmental work and guarantees to the Congress as well.
Now, this is not just the case in Bengaluru. Protests have also erupted in Mangaluru in Karnataka as well. BJP workers as well as leaders held a protest rally in the coastal city demanding a rollback on the decision to hike fuel prices. The BJP also warned of more protests across the state of Karnataka if their demand was not met. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is in opposition in Karnataka, also vehemently opposed and is accusing the Congress party of hiking the fuel prices to fund its 5 poll guarantees. M.B. Patil, who is the Karnataka Minister for Large and Medium Industries, agreed that the Congress government needs more money to sustain the poll guarantees.
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಉಳಿದು ಇಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಹ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಸಹ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್.
Now, the fuel price hike has led to a storm of words, in fact, between both the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as the India bloc, with both firing charges at each other.
72.26 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಜೂನ್ 24ರಲ್ಲಿ 104 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯಿತು. 104 ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಬೆಲೆ 57.28 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು 92.15 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದವರು? ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಯವರು.
Central excise, it's more than 35 rupees per litre. Will the government of India reduce that? If the government of India is ready to reduce the central excise, well, all state governments will be happy to reduce it. But first, the government of India must reduce the central excise, 35 plus rupees.
ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि कर्नाटक में पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़े, लेकिन हो सकता है कोई उनकी अपनी व्यवस्थाएं रही हो या उनकी सरकार चलाने में उनको दिक्कत आ रही हो. लेकिन अगर आज बीजेपी वहां प्रदर्शन करने जा रही तो बीजेपी को मेरे ख्याल से इस दर्द का आभास हो गया होगा कि पूरे देश में, एक कर्नाटक में अगर बढ़े हैं तो बीजेपी को इतना दर्द है, पूरे देश में अगर पेट्रोल के, डीजल के, किसानों की खाद के, दवाई के, हर चीज के दाम, दाल के, राशन के, हर खाद्य सामग्री के दाम जो बढ़ाए बीजेपी ने, उससे देश करा रहा है.
Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has hit back to this by saying that the Congress has been fleecing the people of Karnataka in the state.
ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಅಕ್ಷಮ್ಯ ಅಪರಾಧ. ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಜನರ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗಲಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಏರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ದರವನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ.
Well, they came with tall promises. They came with a lot of freebies. Now they don't have money. So it's putting money, small money into one pocket and making a big hole in another pocket. So they are pickpocketing the people's money, taxpayers' money, and then trying to use it for the promises they have made. Ultimately, it's the common man in Karnataka who's going to suffer because of this.